सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. PNC Infratech Limited has been declared the lowest bidder, L1, for a flyover construction project in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. The project, awarded by PWD Rajasthan, is worth 239 rupees and 94 paise crore and involves the construction of a flyover from Hiradas Chauraha to Kumher Gate Chauraha. The project is to be executed within 24 months. Sumi Conveyor Beltings Limited has secured orders worth 4,864 rupees and 54 paise lakh. The major order is from NLC India Limited for steel cord conveyor belts amounting to 4,780 rupees and 51 paise lakh. Another order is from Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited for 84 rupees and 3 paise lakh. The orders are to be executed within 220 days. Bondara Engineering Limited has received a work order worth 5 crore 93 lakh 38,719 rupees from Dinesh Engineers Limited for the supply of 5540 meter towers with accessories. The order is to be executed within 8 months and is for domestic supply. Gateway Distripast Limited has received a settlement order from the Income Tax Department under the Vivad Se Vishwas Scheme 2024. The settlement resolves tax disputes for several assessment years, reducing the company's initial tax liability of 2 crore 88 lakh 25,871 Indian rupees to 1 crore 90 lakh 85,518 Indian rupees. This payment settles all pending demands for the specified assessment years, eliminating further interest and penalties. The company does not anticipate any material operational or activity impact. HE Infra Engineering Limited has been declared a qualified bidder by Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited for a 300 MW/600 MWh battery energy storage system project in Gujarat. This project is part of a larger 500 MW/1000 MWh initiative under the tariff-based Global Competitive Bidding Phase Y. The contract is domestic and is to be executed within 24 months. Solar Technologies Limited has received a work order worth approximately 32 rupees and 25 paise lakhs from Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited (ONGC) for consultancy services related to energy efficiency and solar power. The contract is for a domestic project and is to be executed within 15 months. Oriental Rail Infrastructure Limited has secured a domestic order worth 1 crore 50 lakh 37,920 rupees from Integral Coach Factory, ICF, Chennai, Indian Railways for the supply and installation of 18 sets of seats and berths for Lushvac/Air coaches. The order is to be executed by June 21, 2025. 90% of the payment will be made upon inspection and provisional receipt, with the remaining 10% plus installation charges payable after final acceptance. Olatech Solutions Limited received a 449.9 million INR order from a domestic telecommunications client. The project involves supplying, installing, testing, and commissioning IT infrastructure, along with AMC and O&M for 10 years. 50% of the order value will be billed in FY 2025-26 and the remaining 50% over the next 10 years. The initial setup is expected to be completed within 6 months. Falcon Concepts Limited has received a work order worth 2 crore 10 lakhs rupees from Progressive Training Career and Welfare Organization for glass, glazing, and windows work at ground floor, Weldon Tech Park, Sohna Road, Sec 48, Gurgaon. The project is expected to be completed within 5 months. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।